this module, you are learning how to automate the sending of your surveys using Dynamics 365 Customer Voice to gather feedback from customers. This video will demonstrate how to use one of the provided Power Automate templates to send out a survey when a case is closed in Dynamics 365. To begin, we will navigate to All Projects. We then click on the name of the project to open it. We will schedule the Premium Support Survey to be sent to a customer when a support case is resolved in Dynamics 365. For a survey that has not yet been sent out to any respondents, when clicking on the Send option, the page will be displayed with this layout, and the automation option can be selected. When a survey has previously been sent out, when clicking on the Send option, we are shown an overview of the number of invitations, responses, unsubscribes, and any failed send attempts on a dashboard. Clicking on the Resend menu, we can then click on the Automate option. A series of template options are provided. A new template can also be created from scratch if desired. We will select the template to send a survey when a case is resolved in Dynamics 365. This will open the Power Automate template in a new tab. A list of the services used in the flow will be displayed. For this template, we will connect to the Common Data Service and to the Dynamics 365 Customer Voice connector. Clicking Continue, we can then select the correct environment to use for this specific flow. After clicking Create, the flow will be displayed in Power Automate. We can review the flow and look through all of the steps. The first is the trigger step, which will run when a case has been updated. We then have a condition to check the status code and make sure it is equal to 5. In Dynamics 365, the number 5 is the value for the option of resolved on a case. If the case is resolved and the first condition is met, a second condition will run to check to see if the customer is an account record. If yes, the next step will get the account record linked from the customer field on the case. If no, the next step will get the contact record linked from the customer field on the case. Both paths will then use a Send a Survey action from the Dynamics 365 Customer Voice connector. If we review the No side of the condition, where the customer is a contact, we can see that the email address from the contact is used to send out the survey. The survey and the default email template are pulled through based on the survey we initiated the automation from. We can then set the survey regarding a specific record. In this scenario, we will link the survey invitation to the case and set it as regarding the incident from Dynamics 365. The recipient is set as the contact record, and the first name and last name variables can be populated using values from dynamic content, pulling them directly from the customer record linked to the case. Additional variables can be added to the case, such as case number or case title. When these are added, these new variables will be available in the Send Survey action step on the flow. The new variables can then be populated with dynamic content from the case. Once our process is complete and any fields have been updated or adjusted as needed, we can click Save from the top of the flow. When a case is resolved in Dynamics 365, this flow will be triggered. An email will be sent out to the customer on the case, which is either a contact or an account. The email will contain a link for the respondent to click on and access the survey to provide their feedback.